your skin and just leave. Hi guys, before we get started with this video, I'm going to show you guys this package that came in the mail right on time for my facial day, and I'm going to be using it during the video. I use this subscription with CUROLOGY.com. It is your own personalized products. They're made by dermatologists themselves. This package comes with your own cleanser, and this cleanser is super good, leaves your skin feeling squeaky clean. And my favorite product right here, this is the nighttime cream. It is customized just for me. As you can see, it has my name and I love it. My favorite. Also, another favorite of mine is the moisturizer. This is a very lightweight moisturizer. It doesn't clog your pores, but it does the job and leaves your skin feeling nice and moisturized. I claim this as my future sponsorship, so I claim it, and I'm gonna leave the link below. Let's get right into the video. I'm gonna get started with my Curology cleanser and just rub a dub on my skin, make sure it is nice and clean. I know it looks like I'm being rough, you guys, but I'm not rough. I promise. My skin loves this because I have oily skin, so I make sure to get right in there, okay? So wash your skin real good. Get into them T-zone areas, them oily areas. Make sure it's nice.
Hey. Yeah.
So after I have rinsed off the cleanser from my skin and it is nice and squeaky clean, I pat dry with a clean towel, and I'm gonna go in with this Cocoa Dream lip scrub that I have from Pink, and it smells so good. I love it. And I'm just gonna dip my finger in there and just scrub my lips and get any dead skin from my lips that I can, and just make them nice and juicy.
Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You'll try and come back when you face. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real.
Alright, you guys, so the next step is to steam your face and get those pores open. This is a trick of mine I've used for years. I don't own a facial steamer. I do want to get one soon, but I don't have one. So if you don't have one, you can get a pot with water, boil the water, make sure that there's steam coming out. Turn that off and get a towel over your head. Put your face over the steam for a good 10 to 15 minutes and you're good. Or take a warm shower and get the steam to open your pores. That's all you gotta do.
I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic.
Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna show you everything you'll need. By the way, these all will be linked down below. I have here a face razor, a kit of extraction tools. I have a moisturizer. I have a acne gel. I'm gonna be using these spot treatments as well. They're like little circle stickers for your acne. And then a mask, a clay mask, because we have oily skin, so we need the best of the best. And then a tissue, of course, some cotton rounds, a spoolie, and you only need one tweezer and one spoolie. I don't know why I have like 50. But here I'm showing you my moisturizer, the acne gel, and a toner. You need a toner, okay? And this brand right here, Pacifica, is super good. Check them out. I got them at Target. So we're gonna start off by removing all of our fuzzy hairs as soon as this camera focuses. All right, I think I got it. Okay. So I'm gonna use my facial razor and I'm gonna hold down my skin and just go up with the razor gently, making sure that I'm not being too rough, but making sure that I get all of those fuzzy hairs and go all around my skin and just get my skin clear off of any face hairs, because this is just going to help to penetrate all of the products that I'm going to use and just have a clean base and no hairs to be in the way. I'm also going to be doing my brows. I don't know why I skipped over it, but you're going to see me do that later, and I'm going to remove any little hairs on my mustache line, but you'll see that later on in the video.
It's hard to find a brother that was down for me, so I'm telling everybody let him be, cause he's mine and I can't take no pictures trying to take my baby. So I thought I had to let you know, find someone you can call.
Okay guys, so next step is to take your tools, your extraction tools, and start extracting. Make sure not to touch any active pimples, like the one right on my left cheek by my nose, that red spot. I was touching it earlier and I shouldn't have, but don't touch those active ones. Only touch the whiteheads. Those are the ones that are ready to pop. Also any blackheads, but also if there's any blackheads that don't want to come out, do not try to like do surgery. Only do the ones that want to come out easily and that don't give you much struggle, because we don't want to pierce our skin and leave holes and scars. Okay, so you're gonna see me just take out those blackheads and those gunky looking, as you can see, pores that just have so much in them and need to be extracted.
You will be dealt with. Better find your own.
So now that we're done, you're going to see that your skin is irritated, it's red, it's sensitive right now. Do not be afraid. This is going to happen even if you go get an extraction at a professional setting, so don't worry. You're going to take your salicylic acid toner or acne medicated toner, and you're going to apply that. This is my fave right now, the Pacifica Acne Warrior. I'm going to use a cotton round, and I'm just going to apply a few drops and start applying it to my skin as soon as I get this open. And I also want to make sure you guys know that this is going to tingle. This is going to kind of give you a burning sensation. It's not going to burn your skin off or anything. It's going to feel like it's burning a little bit, just a tiny bit, for like 3 seconds, but it's nothing alarming. It's just because your skin and your pores are open, so that medicated toner is getting in there and just acting as a antimicrobial serum. You know what I mean? It's getting all those dirt and all of the leftover gunk out of the skin. So this is a good thing. Don't be alarmed. Just apply your toner and let it sting for 2 to 3 seconds. It'll go away after that.
Ooh, say what, say what, say what? Yeah, girl, you know what's up. Ooh, say what, say what, say what? Ooh, girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling, and on you and your homies. The very first day of summer, all rolled out in a Hummer, babe. Hit the park and party. Hope that you're walking away.
Alright guys, so as I told you earlier, I did skip over doing my brows and just getting any little hairs from my mustache out of my skin. So right here, you're just gonna see me plucking those little hairs out and just making sure all of the hairs are completely off of my skin. Next, just going to apply the acne gel or cream. Any acne gel or cream that has salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide works fine. This is going to be a base for my mask. I'm going to apply the mask over this, but this is just to make sure that my acne is getting all the necessary treatment or product it needs to make sure any upcoming or any acne that wants to come out later doesn't. So preventing any acne and making sure that nothing pops up later, that's what we want. So that's what I'm doing.
What's up? What's up? Said I'm big on you and on you. Tell me what's up? I said I'm looking for that girl. Search. 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 Looking for that bitch.
So next is applying our face mask. I'm going to be using this clay mask. If you have oily skin, this whole facial is for oily skin because I have oily skin. But the best mask to use when doing a facial is any clay mask or any mask that's just going to extract and pull out any extra dirt left over or any just extra oils in your skin.
You know what I want. Say what. You know that I like it, baby. Girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Say what. You know that about it, baby. Girl, you know what's up. Oh, I'm digging you. Yeah. And you know what's up. Said I'm big on you, and on you.
Alright, so after I've washed my face mask off of my face, I'm going to go in with my moisturizer. This is my Fave from CUROLOGY. It is lightweight, but it does the job, as you can tell. Also, for added moisturization to the skin, I use this hyaluronic acid 2% by The Ordinary. It is the best. It'll leave your skin feeling so soft and like baby's skin. Okay, so if you guys want to get that, that'll be in the description box below as well. And I'm going to sleep right after this. So I'm going to apply this acne cream, the customized acne cream from CUROLOGY. It is customized just for me. Check their website out and send in your pictures and talk to a dermatologist. You can do that all on their website. Or if you don't want to go with the CUROLOGY, you can use this acne gel, the one I used earlier, and this will work just as well as the CUROLOGY acne cream. It does the same. It has, you know, the CUROLOGY just has added benefits to it and added acids, and it's customized just for you. So that's why I love CUROLOGY. So I'm just gonna apply this again with the cotton brown because I don't want to touch my face, and just all over a nice thin layer, making sure I cover all affected areas. Alright you guys, last but not least, this is an optional step, but I'm going to be using these spot dots from Pacifica, and they work really well just to calm down any active acne. So like that one little pimple right there, right by my nose on my left side, your right side, I'm going to apply one of those right on there because it's an active spot, and I couldn't extract it because it's not ready to pop. So this is just going to calm it down and just try to keep it from progressing any further, and just get it out of the way because we don't need no pimples, okay? So yes, this is optional, but if you have and if you want to try it out, go ahead. It's beneficial and it's good for you. Alright guys, that was it for today's facial tutorial. I hope you guys have an amazing day, night, or evening, whatever time zone you in. See you next time. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.